Beneath the blue moon is where I found you. You were sitting all alone in a crowded, low-lit room. I came up to you shy, and you threw me a smile. I grabbed your hands and said, let's take the ride of our life. 'Cause you're one special girl, and it's us against the world now. Light the fireworks, it's the ending of the world now. "124 down the open road, leaving behind everything that we know. Wherever we go is where we make a home. Say it again, baby, give me some hope, 'cause all I want is you, and I'll meet you in the spot. Wasn't trying to write a love song, but how could I not? 'Cause you're one special girl, let's become my whole world now. Light the fireworks, it's the beginning of the world now. I knew it all along, I'd have to write this song. We ride into the sunset before they realize we're gone. It's not a mistake when two souls meet. Let's not tempt fate, we gotta see where it leads. There's a hole in my heart, you hold the master key. Thank you so much, you set a sad man free.